How to restore archive list on Trello. So to start, we'll have to open our browser and then search for Trello.com. After that, simply log into your account. Once logged in, go on this boards option, and then in here, we'll have to select the board that we want to restore an archive list. So in here, as you can see, I have a tree list. So as an example, I'm going to archive a list. So what I need to do is to go on the list, tap on these three dots, and then in here we'll have to scroll down and then tap on this archive this list. And as you can see, that list is automatically archived. So to restore that list, what we need to do is to go on the right part of the screen and then tap on these three dots. After that, go on this archive items, and then in here we'll have to tap on this switch to list option. And then in here, as you can see, I have that list here. So if I want to restore this one, all I need to do is to tap on this send to board option. And as you can see, that list is automatically restored here. So that's how easy we can restore archive lists on Trello. Thanks for watching, and if you find this video helpful, please don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button, and then the notification bell so you won't miss any of our future videos. See you on the next one!